Let's play some Roblox. There's a new slime simulator game. Hold up, let's play it. Wait. What if Roblox picks my slime supplies? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That was too loud. There's no reason to scream, you know? It's like the camera's right there. In today's video, I'm gonna be letting I'm gonna be letting Roblox players choose my slime supplies. I legit got this idea from Antonio Garza, and I think she did the Roblox players choose my makeup. I think. Anyways, I'm really excited for this video because I've done something like this, but you guys got to choose my slime supplies, not my Roblox players. If you're new to my channel and want to see more of this type of content, because low-key, I want to do a Minecraft one next, and I don't know about you guys, but I'm down. But yeah, I'm really excited, so if you are too and want to see more type of this content, then go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, turn on my post notifications, because YouTube low-key has been not sending out my videos to people. But yeah, let's get started. So yeah, let's get started, shall we? I think we should. So I think the first, okay, so I'm gonna screen record. Ooh. Okay, let's go here into the slime simulator. Okay, so I'm pressing this slime simulator one because it looks cool. Let's load the game. Update Slime Simulator by Kendingo. And let's play. And let's let me put the volume up. Let's play. Okay, ooh, this looks really cool. Let me just walk around and see where people are, cause I gotta ask. Oh, look, there's someone right there. Come over here. Come over here. Hi. Please answer. Please answer me. Come back, senpai. Did this slime just get bigger? Please pay attention to me. Okay, okay. Hi. Please wait. He said hi. Okay, okay. What glue should I use? White or clear? Sorry. Please answer, please answer. Huh? Okay. Choose a glue. Okay, he said clear. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That's enough. Okay, let me go find some. I know I don't want to buy that. Is this the same guy? Hi. 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 Hello. Human. Please don't ignore me. Stop running! Oh, look, there's someone named Jaden. Let's say hi. Wait, he's running away from me. Jaden! My love. My love. Oh my god. He better see this. Please stop running away. Stop. Okay, let's ask him. What color? He said hi. What color should I add? Why did he blur out what? Oh my god. I feel it. What color? He said blue. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Yay. That's blue, right? Okay. I couldn't find blue food coloring. Okay. Okay, so I'm playing Hunter 7110. Okay, Hunter. Are you alive? Are you not walking? Are you good? Hi. Send. Let's wait because he's kind of slow. He said hi, okay. I have a question. Glitter or foam beads? B? Does he mean beads? I'm gonna take it as beads. That's good, right? Okay. I'm back. And I think this time I'm gonna ask them what scent. Okay, Vince, I've been trying to ask you what scent for like 20 minutes now and you don't answer. Just choose one. Oh my god. Cotton candy or Fanta scent. Vince, you're making this so difficult for me. If I was you, I would choose Fanta. Oh my god. Chase, who's this? You guys are so rude not answering so quickly. Oh my god, Vince, how hard is it to choose? You know what? If you don't choose in like 20 seconds, I'm about to leave you. Oh my god, Vince. It's been like 20 seconds already. Bye. Oh, he's following me though. Like, just choose cotton candy or Fanta. Okay. Okay, choose then. What are you gonna choose? Cotton candy. Which one? I want Fanta. Thank you, Vince. Thank you. Okay, there we go. And let's mix it. Because Vince was over here trying to make my life difficult and like he literally took like 7 minutes to choose either cotton candy or Fanta. And I'm like,
oh my god, can you just choose one?
It smells so good. It smells exactly like Fanta. Vince, he probably has problems, you know? He probably doesn't even know what cotton candy is, but you know what? Thank you, Vince, for answering because no one else, everyone was being so rude in Roblox. Like, it's a kid game, like, why be rude, you know what I mean? Like,
you're a kid. You can't be rude to your elders. You're gonna be in a video.
Like, these videos are so weird to edit just because I gotta align screen recording to the actual video. And Vince is gonna make it so hard for me because this is gonna be a long video because of Vince. But you know what, Vince? You're the real MVP for choosing Fanta because that's my favorite scent. I think I overactivated it. It's so sticky still though. Like, I don't even know what happened. I'm trying to pose for a thumbnail like. Well, this was kind of a fail, but not kind of, just because I overactivated it. Anyways, Look at my hands. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. But if you don't, I understand, you know? But at least give it a thumbs up because I tried, you know what I mean? Try to get it to 200 likes.